Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to open up the Boxycharm Premium Box for September 2020. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription and they have 3 different boxes. Base box, $25 a month. Premium box, $35 a month, and then Boxyluxe, it comes seasonally for $50. So you do get more items and your box is a higher value. Although I have had base boxes that have been a better value than my premium in a particular month just because I have a really good base box that month. I don't know what I did right or if Boxycharm has heard me complain so many times, but all of a sudden I'm getting my Boxycharm Premium very early. I don't want to jinx it and I don't have wood that I could knock on. Also means that you guys are going to want to know the weight of my box. People like to know the weight because your shipping shows the weight of your box and can give you little clues about what variation you might get. This is Future Jess from the end of the video, so you can already see the makeup on my face. Spoiler alert, but I forgot to tell you the variation. I got variation 13. 13 is my lucky number. Will it be lucky in the products I got? We'll see. And the weight. The weight is 2.3 pounds or 1.04 kilograms. So back to the beginning of the video. You don't always get a card, but mine's a little smashed. It says Boxycharm Glam Vibes Only. So there better be something very glammy in this box if that's what they're going for here. So I do use this for MSRP sometimes, but we do our own research on this channel. So when we get ready to do the try-on session, I'm actually going to share things that aren't on this card. You guys will hear this stuff a million times on YouTube, so I try to share something that's different than what is on the card. So I'm going to just start reaching in from the top down, and the first thing that I saw was that I got the Kitsch. We do not know how to pronounce things on this channel. We do, but it just doesn't ever come out right. Kitsch Cleanse Ritual Ice Roller for your overworked, sensitive skin. Sterilize the roller with alcohol after each use and store the ice roller inside of your freezer. It's exactly how my other one works, but my other one just isn't metal. I'm assuming the metal would probably stay cold longer, but I don't know. Then next I have what I think was what you could the Boxy choice. I did not choose this month because everything was sold out. Maybe other than this, I don't remember, but everything else was sold out and there's only one selection. So I was like, I wonder what will happen if I don't choose. Will I get that one selection? And I'm pretty sure it was this. So yes, they will give you whatever is left in the selection even if you don't choose. So this is the Marc Jacobs YOUTHQUAKE Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream. I'm pretty sure this is a night cream, and the only reason why I wasn't originally going to get it is because I think it's for dry skin, and I do not have dry skin. I have the opposite of dry skin, but we're still gonna put it on so I can tell you what it feels like. It doesn't really smell like much. It's tropical, but like super light. This next item says Emma Hardie. I have not heard of this brand before. It says Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatments. It says increase moisture level, increase elasticity, balance the skin, antioxidant protection. Okay, so this looks like good quality. This is glass. I like it when things come in glass container. Oh, this one's definitely scented and it's really floral. It still smells good. It's not like disgusting floral, but it is very scented compared to the other one. This says made in Britain and it says we do not test on animals, formulated without silicones, synthetic colors, synthetic fragrance. Oh, so that was a strong fragrance, but it must all be essential oils. Also free of petrolatum, mineral oil, sulfates, and animal ingredients. That's what makes it vegan. Next, I have one of my favorite brands. This is Milk Makeup. In fact, my brows are done today with the Milk Makeup item that I got in I think I got it in a base box. So I was very happy with that. So let's see what we have here. The KUSH Lip Scrub. I have not heard the best things about this. We'll see. I think I did some research on this for a sale for FabFitFun or something else, and the reviews were not very good, but we'll see when we do our research for this video. But this is a brand that I know is cruelty-free, so it's interesting because it's not like a pot of lip scrub. It's like you put it directly on your lips like that. e.l.f. has one. Oh, it was magnetic. Go. I love that. Okay, it was also magnetic. And then next we have this Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. I actually really like Stila liners. Looks like mine comes in the color Lionfish though. I'm not so excited about that. It's like brown and it has a little bit of gold shimmer, but it's like even hard to see the gold shimmer. I don't hate it, but usually it's not my go-to for a brown liner. I want like either bright purple, blue, or green, or black, the blackest black. And last but not least, we got A Queen Lies in All of Us, Eloise the Queen eyeshadow palette. I saw this on the Boxy spoiler. I've only seen one premium Boxycharm spoiler on their website. Not their website, on their Instagram. On their Instagram, they posted this and I was in love with the colors. This is so beautiful. Like really, I'm not even ready to touch and swatch it yet because I want to make sure I get a really good picture. I've never heard of the brand Eloise before, so I don't know if this is a good brand or if it's good quality or what yet, but the colors are right up my alley. Like these are some bright, gorgeous colors. The camera, I don't even know if the camera is doing them justice right now. In person, they are gorgeous though. This one has a cruelty-free sticker in the back. I know for a fact this is a cruelty-free company. Marc Jacobs is also a cruelty-free company according to their website, and Stila is a cruelty-free company. I will have to check on KUSH. I don't know if they are, and on Hardie. I'm gonna go do some research on that. Then we'll come back with a naked face so that I can try it all on, and as I'm trying it on, I will let you know what I found out about the products. So if you're interested in that, I'll see you in a few moments.
A few moments later.
In my last video, somebody asked me to come in closer during the try-on session. I can actually center myself a little bit as well. And we're gonna try everything on and then go over the research that I found. For the Marc Jacobs YOUTHQUAKE, this says Hydra-Full Retexturizing Gel Cream. This one had a 4.5 star rating with 2,042 reviewers. This is a cruelty-free brand, and they did say, at least the positive said, that you could get overnight results with this. It was very moisturizing and that it had a good feel and a good scent. I actually think the scent is really mild. Maybe that's what they mean by good scent, is that it's not overpowering. And then there were some negatives, mostly that it takes too long to absorb or dry down and that it doesn't work well with some of their other products. Or there was also some reviewers saying this product has a lot of silicones. The first ingredient is pineapple water. I really love that. Again, because my nickname is Baby Pineapple. I love anything with pineapple in it. It also has bromelain. That's a pineapple enzyme, so I'm sure that that's doing some sort of repair on your face as well. I like the feel of it, but with oily skin, I don't know how I would like it all day. But if you had really dry or dehydrated skin, this would probably be really perfect. For the Kitsch roller, this was actually so cold even before I put it in the freezer. I decided to use it when I applied the Marc Jacobs YOUTHQUAKE, and it felt so good on my face. It was very cooling feel. It was a really good feeling and very easy to use, had like an ergonomic handle and a really cold feel. There's not too much information, as you can imagine, for a product like this online. I don't know if Kitsch is a cruelty-free brand. I don't know if they even sell anything that would like require them to say if they're cruelty-free or not, but I couldn't find that information online. For the Milk Makeup KUSH Lip Scrub, this is also a cruelty-free brand and vegan. This has a 3.8 star rating, and this had 28 reviewers. Positives were about its minty scent, the fact that it's in stick form so it's a little bit easier to use and it's not so messy, and they said that it does not have a gritty feel. Negatives said this does not work as a scrub, or that they called it a balm, or that the sugar is either too thick and then just melts into your lips, so it's not doing anything. There were a couple people that said that it irritated their lips and it scratched their lips. I don't know if that would be based on that sugar, because when I put it on my lips, I still felt a light scrub, but the sugar melts into your lip balm like pretty quickly. So it's a very light scrub, and then it just turns into a balm after that. For the Eloise Beauty The Queen Eyeshadow Palette, this is cruelty-free, and the company says on their website that they're PETA certified cruelty-free. That does mean that they have the certification. People can claim they're cruelty-free without that certification, and people can lie about being cruelty-free. It is possible that there are companies lying. When they have the certification, you should be able to go to PETA's website and look up the company, and that's what I did, and it was on the company. This did not have enough reviews available, but it's a UK-based company. It is 100% vegan. It's a Black-owned business. There are going to be 8 mattes, 6 shimmers, a pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome shade. The brand says that they want to bring quality, cruelty-free, and inclusive products to market. My own personal review, I honestly was in love with some of these colors. The pink I put on, the Elizabeth color, was so bright. Right when I put it on, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. Same thing for that blue teal shimmer that I put in the inner part of my eye. I was really falling in love with some of the colors. The color Empire, the light color I put all over my lid, it's not that I didn't like it, it's just that it looks a little bit different than the pan. It has a peachy tone in the pan, but ended up turning basically white on my lid. They were not messy at all. I did not have too much fallout on my eyes. And I actually used some subpar brushes. I used like my cheapest Morphe brushes just because I didn't have any other clean ones. That impresses me a lot. So I do think that I am going to use this palette a lot more after this. For the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, this also is a cruelty-free brand. This one had a 4.0 star rating with 6,485 reviewers. Positives say it's pigmented, it's creamy, and that it's smudge proof. The negatives say it's not waterproof. Waterproof's in the name, by the way. That it does not last, or that it's not good for oily skin. This was not my favorite eyeliner. I would say primarily because of the color, and it also did not glide on as easily as I expected it to after reading the reviews. I had a little bit of a hard time. I purposely looked at the palette and tried to select the lightest eyeshadow color because this brown is going to look a little bit light on me. I think if you had really pale skin, this would be absolutely gorgeous, or if you had green eyes, because I think brown liner looks really good with green eyes. But for my skin tone and my eye color, I don't really think it was doing anything too special for me. For the Emma Hardie Brilliance Facial Oil, this is cruelty-free according to their website. This is also a UK-based brand and has a 4.1 star rating with 472 reviewers. So I did find that a little bit weird that the official website would not have this product but have the entire rest of the line. So I don't know if it was discontinued or maybe they only sell it at other retailers. Just so that I could use it, I used it on both my hand and my neck. It absorbed pretty good. It feels really nice. It feels very luxurious, and it has a very strong scent. They say that their fragrance is natural. To me, it smells a lot like lemon and a lot like lavender. So now let's talk about money because it's important. For the palette, the Queen palette, I love queen anything. I always say like be a queen, not a princess. I just love that. So anything queen, I actually buy it. When they had those beauty blenders with a little queen crown, I bought like 4 of them because I just love it so much. This palette has a $46 retail value. The Marc Jacobs YOUTHQUAKE has a $59 retail value. The Emma Hardie Brilliance Facial Oil has a $55 retail value. The Kitsch Ice Roller has an $18 retail value. The Milk Makeup KUSH Lip Scrub has a $22 retail value. And the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner also has a $22 retail value. That brings the total retail value of my box to $222. That's pretty good. I paid $35 for this box. But what did I personally find value in? The palette, it is definitely not the best formula I've ever used, but it's good. So I am definitely putting it on this side. I can see myself using this over and over, and I just love the pigment. So yes, we are gonna keep that. For the YOUTHQUAKE, I feel like I'm gonna have to do it on a non-makeup day. I also don't like to leave silicone on my face overnight. So I think it has fragrance too. So a couple things that I don't like to put on my skin at night. I still want to put it over here because I feel like I'm going to use all of it, but this was really a hard maybe. Like I almost don't want to put it over there, but it's going to go over here. For the Milk Makeup KUSH Lip Scrub, I don't think this is a lip scrub. It doesn't feel really like a lip scrub. It melts a little bit too quickly, but it smells great and my lips feel really soft right now. So I'm still going to put it over here. I'm just gonna use it more like a lip balm than a lip scrub because I like a really good lip scrub to help me exfoliate my lips. For the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, I'm not interested in keeping this at all. The color is just not my color. It was not even easy, like there was no easy glide across if it was a really creamy, great formula, but no, there's nothing about it that I really love. So that's gonna go over there. For the roller, I'm pretty obsessed with this. It felt so good on my skin. I can't wait. Like, I really want to go freeze it right now. I don't even want to finish this video. I want to go throw it in the freezer right now so that I can use this as soon as possible frozen and see what that feels like. So that's going over here as well. This is another one that could go either way. Actually, both the skincare items, like, I feel like I could use them, but I have a lot of other skincare that I love the feel of more. But because I didn't give this a fair shot on my face, I'm gonna give it a fair shot. So it's gonna go over there, but this is a really hard maybe. We have two maybes, but they both ended up on this side this time. So that makes the total retail value to me about $200. Honestly, the palette, just the palette, is worth more than what I paid for the box. And we only had one item that I really don't think I'm gonna use again. This definitely is not my favorite box, but it does have a couple star items that I am really glad that I got. Everything was just kind of in the middle for me. I mean, for the Milk makeup, and I love the brand Milk makeup, the Marc Jacobs and this Emma Hardie, that's 3 products out of the 5 that I have over here that I just like reluctantly put over here. So it was not my favorite box. Last time I feel like I had the best box like in the history of Boxycharm boxes, but I am obviously satisfied because I have so much over here. What do you think about this box? What was your favorite item? Make sure you let me know in the comments down below. Do you think I got a good version? Am I just being really, really picky? Sometimes I'm really, really picky. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!